Yeah! That's where we're heading! Kelp bed, here we go! Woo! Man, check out, is that a rock up there? That's so nice down there.
And paddleboard man.
Alright, head on that towards where Lauren is. See Lauren on the board right there? That's where we're gonna head to. Okay, I got you. I'm right here. Alright, keep going. We're almost there. We're going out towards where Lauren is. Alright, ready? Okay, and here we go, bud. Alright, I'm turning towards you guys. Hey, Rob, check this out. Rob, don't. Here I come.
So clear down there. Oh my God.
Man, it is good. Man, I even touched the kelp down there.
Can you film down there at all?
Yeah.
Try it.
Alright.
How you doing, Julian? Good. How are you doing? Tiring. Huh? Tiring. Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming way out. It's tiring.
Yeah, the water feels good. Yeah, Dan,
Yeah,
you got 10, well, probably about 8 minutes and you should start heading back in.
So do I. So do I. Yep. I got you. You're not gonna go.
Oh my gosh! Found a
What?
shark tooth.
What? Let me see it.
Yeah!
Let me look. Let me see it. Put it in my hand.
Don't you drop it.
I won't.
Just look at it. I don't want you dropping it.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's all good. This thing was a beautiful tooth.
Man,
Wow.
he could have made a necklace out of it and everything.
Where did you see it? Right over here?
It fell in this kelp right here.
I mean, I'll see if I can find it. Which one? Oh, did you see how far I went?
Right below me, there's a nice, big, long shelf. Underneath that shelf, there's got to be some stuff.
A shelf?
Yeah. I wish you had a snorkel.
Hey, Alexander. Man, there's a big old shelf down here. Yeah. Yeah, Rob wishes he had a snorkel.
Come here, Alexander.
How big is the shelf, Rob?
Dive under here. Huh? Nah, I don't think so.
Where?
These were from Amazon.
Oh, right here, Rob?
Yeah, these are
You mean
David's.
right here, Rob? Rob? Rob?
Amazon?
Rob?
They're David's.
You mean right here?
Yeah, go underneath her.
Are you doing a documentary?
Yeah. He's doing it for the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The documentary of Lil Wayne as a mermaid. My mermaid